Good day, YouTube. So here we have my '06 Road Glide 103, which currently I'm putting 13-inch apes on. But come across a little problem. Broke my glove box spring. What do? Do I go to this dealership, spend $55? No. So I tried to Velcro it. And that didn't work out so well. So I was looking online trying to find videos on how to do this. Couldn't find anything, so hence why I'm making this video. So what I suggest you do is, if you can find one of these old school wooden clothes pegs, you will discover that the springs are identical. This is the one that broke. So you can see the pin that broke off there. And on the clothes peg, you got two little pieces of metal that bend over like so, and one goes this way. So with a little tweaking, you'll be able to get a new spring. It won't cost you nothing. So I'm going to try and put this together in a way that you'll be able to see, and we'll get it back.